Welcome to Bonifabcustom. Today, we're going to be showing you how we cast these knobs for a custom project we're making for a customer. Let's get right into it. So the process that we're going to use to make these knobs is sand casting. Typically, we would take a plate with multiple impressions of these, and we would impress it into the sand or into this flask here, and then we would make both halves, pour in our molten aluminum, and we would have our parts. But we're gonna do it a simpler way. I'm gonna show you how we're gonna do that. By just using one piece, we're gonna make multiple impressions into this sand here. We're gonna use this cup and this punch to create the ingate of the impression or of the sand cast. So let's get into that. So you're going to take this original part, and all we're going to do is hammer it right into the sand. I'm going to make sure the sand is level when we do that, but basically we're just hammering it in there until it's level with the outside. There's our impression. Now we're just going to continue with that. We're going to put about 8 impressions inside there. Now to make our ingate, we're going to use this die punch. Very simply, we're going to put it in the middle of this cup. We're going to get some sand. Center it. Press in our sand. Make sure it's somewhat level. And flip it over. Get the sand all pressed in. And there's our ingate. So now that we have our impressions done, let's heat up the crucible, put some material inside, and make some molten aluminum. Now that we got all our parts casted, we're going to do some trimming, and then we're going to do some machining on the back. We're going to tap a threaded hole, 1/4 so it can be held on our project. Thank you for watching Bonifabcustom as we build these little tiny casted knobs. These are going to be part of a bigger project later on in the week. So don't forget to watch. Every day we're going to be posting a video this week. At the end of the week, we are going to have a special giveaway. Now, the giveaway is only for subscribers. So if you haven't subscribed yet, just push that subscribe button. You don't want to miss out on this giveaway. Thank you again for watching the channel and for all your support.